Okay, we're at the manufacturing facility of Perimeter Protection Products, a company that makes safety for heavy construction. And what we're going to do here is we're attaching a 4x4 by 1/4 inch steel plate with a welded coupler to an I-beam. The I-beam is 3/8 of an inch thick. The attaching mechanism is going to be TEKS 5 screws, 1.5 inches long, and we're using 6 of them. Reason we're using 6 of them, we want to achieve a 5,000-pound load as an anchor point. Okay, I'm coming up on 50 seconds. Time to restart, and just hold it. Okay, 50 seconds, start the application. You'll notice that, again, the base plate comes pre-drilled. The TEKS 5 is a self-taper. Goes in with low RPM and high torque. Okay, the first initial 4 are in, and we're at 2 minutes and 4 seconds. So basically, it took us about 1 minute and 14 seconds to put the 4 of them in. 5 fasteners are now in. We're at 2 minutes, 19 seconds total time. Final fasteners, 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Again, the nice part about this type of attaching system is we're not welding. There's no hot permits, no spark, no slag flying off the side of the building. Fire extinguishers, fire watches is no longer required. What we're going to do now is we're going to set up our center hole hydraulic jack, and we're going to do a shear test on this device. So I'm just going to continue videoing, and we're going to set ourselves up here for the test. Okay, what we're using is our 12-inch heavy-duty D-ring. Our thread is a special thread. You cannot buy it off the shelf. It comes from our facility, and basically what it will do for you is prevent anybody from possibly making up some of these parts in your house.
Put some pressure on it.
Okay, I'm going to now put a little load on the jack. We're at 0. We're just taking it up a little bit to hold the jack in place. Okay, stop right there. All right, and as you can see, base plate's in place. Hydraulic center hole jack is in place, and our D-ring. And there is a metric on this system, and the metric is it's 4.72 to 1. So initially what we're going to do is slowly take our jack up to 1,160 pounds. And 1,160 pounds will give us 5,000 pounds on our base plate and our post. Okay. The jacking is in the progress. We are right now, we are showing 800 pounds. Can you continue the jacking, please? Okay, 900 pounds. We're at 1,000 pounds. Let's bring it up to 1,100. Okay, we're at 1,100 pounds right now. Very, very slight deflection in the post. No evidence of any fracturing. This application is pretty remarkable because it allows you to achieve a 5,000 pound rated anchor point without welding. TEK 5 fasteners. Again, the base plate comes pre-drilled. The 6 fasteners went in probably 90 seconds. The whole thing takes 2 minutes and 10 seconds. All right. Now we're holding this thing. We've only held it in place for, I don't know, 2 or 3 minutes. We're still at 1,100 pounds, and I consider this thing test successful. So we are going to abandon the test any further. You note it's still at 1,100 pounds. And right. And again, the metric here would be to take 1,100 pounds times 4.72, and that would give you the total load force applied on the shaft. Okay, I'm going to say right now we're just coming up, total test time is coming up on 7 minutes, and I think it turned out rather well. Thank you for your time.
5,000